Hello, how's it going? We're back with another stream. New day, new stream. Promise myself I'm gonna do this for at least 90 days. See what happens. And here we are. Day 3. Yesterday I came across this thing. Oh, before anything, let's get that going again. Right? What is this? Oh, that's my Instagram bot. I'll show you one day. I'll show you one day my Instagram bot. But before anything, what was it called? Stream something? Yeah. Open up my code for today. Before we start it, let's just maybe wait, it's still running? Still running a local host? What? How? How is that possible? I closed the thing. Let me see. npm start. Oh, 8081. There's the process still running in the background. Well, that's not bad. I'll keep that. Just keep that in there. So yeah, let's have a setup that we can actually see what's what with. You know? Like we want to know which part is active right now. And for that, maybe make the text bolder on the one that's actually active. Let's see. So in progress, well, when active space gets a plus plus, whenever it gets a plus plus, do you want to do that way or here, like step, when we were using step? Yeah, that's probably better. Step element as an inner element. Give it an ID equals to bang bang. What is that? Step title I. And for that, whenever you plus plus, do document that get element by ID. The ID is step title active step. Get that element by ID and then class list that add we can just do that add text font wall. Will that work? Let's make it faster. So if it reaches that one, it should get bold. Yeah, it gets bold. So we know which one is active. Or maybe bold is not. Else if active step is less than planned length. And instead of making it bold, let's do text X large. Oof, that's gonna get super big, too big. Yeah. Instead of that, text MD and font bold. Well, that didn't work. What if it's an array? It's not working. Font bold. It's not working anymore. If active step is less than planned length, then plus it. The plus is working. I don't get it. Now it's working. Okay. I don't like that error thing. What if you do try catch do font bold text I don't know. Text MD. Is there an MD? Text. It's XS. XSM. Does that change anything? LG. XL. Yeah, before doing this, before adding, can we remove font bold and add text XS, just put it back. Text. Let's see. Whoa. Does that help? Okay, yeah. so you can see which one is active. And here we want to do if I is 0, else. This is for else. But if it's 0, we actually want to do XL and text bold. There we go. There we go. Beautiful. Let's bring it a little bit lower. Where is the thing? Bring it a little bit lower, like 80. There we go. Okay. Okay, that looks perfect to me. Now let's set it up for today's stream. Let me see. What are we doing today? It's a Saturday, so it's social coding. So contributing to open source or coding with the community. And the community doesn't exist right now because we have 0 viewers. Is that right? Where is it? Yeah, 0 viewers on both platforms, so there's no community at the moment, but let's do like projects or whatever. So social Saturday. 25 minutes of social Saturday, 25 minutes of coding, and we will do that for 3 times. I'll make it into 3 hours. And let me just put back to reset the counter. So to each 1 second, updated each 1 second, every 1 second. Whew, that's loud. And now we can just relax and just do our thing. So, social Saturday. That sounds like communism. But anyways, I was just searching the web and I came across Stream Elements. This is very interesting because it's kind of like what we were trying to make. And we want to make an open source version of this, or a base for that. If we go to overlays, elements gallery, we can see theme packages, labels, and cam boxes. What do we have here? It says labels. That's a cam box. Widget. Let's look at the widgets. It's for donations.
Thank you, Aspired, for your contribution.
Oh. What else does it have? For followers, for new followers, has summon. For tips, this one's special alert. Special alert widgets. Goal widgets. Number of subscribers for amount of tips. What is this? It has a little animation, looks pretty. It's kind of interesting. It's just a very simple progress bar with an animation. Special alert on screen widgets, goal widgets. That's it? OBS widgets. Streamlabs widgets. What do we have here? Give me ideas. Explore widgets. Can you just... Do I have a Streamlab ID? Yes. Widgets. What do we have here? Widget theme library. So we have alert box widgets. We can set it up. Tip jars, media share, stream labels. What is that? How can I see the widgets? The spin wheel? Chat highlight? Oh, we need the chat widget for sure. Tip goal. Very simple. Bunch of buttons, chat highlight, emote wall. The thing about a custom widget is that it's custom, so you can hook it up to anything. Can I have a poll? Give your viewers the opportunity to become a boss in your channel by interacting with the stream. Stream boss. Huh. The 5 best OBS widgets to use for live streaming. What do we have here? Frames. Lots of frames and GIFs, and what if it connected to the GIF thing? GIFs or GIFs, the Giphy, and we can have like, you can search Christmas, and there's a bunch of Christmas shit they can put on your stream. Yeah. Anyways, so today I was thinking, and I guess we need to change that as well. That'll make the that'll make everything recompile and the timer. It's gonna cause the timer to start over. We need another process to control everything and just send data to our UI, and the UI should be separated from the process, keeping track of time and titles and everything. But anyways, so today I was thinking, and I thought that we should work on things that'll make our viewers money. We're gonna try and give people money, so kind of like give people an opportunity to make money somehow. So maybe like come up with a product that people can sell and make money off of. I'm not sure what, and that's where ChatGPT comes into play. And we can just ask, and also Reddit. Reddit is awesome, man. Wait. No, stop. That's not what I intended to do. So I am streaming on YouTube, Twitch, and have a Discord server about monetizing code and starting your own business as a programmer. To get viewers, I had an idea to develop toolings for developers such that they can use tools to make money somehow. What can those tools be? Give me ideas. If I read this, I wouldn't figure it out, but like it's very vague, but let's see. Freelance project finder, e-commerce integration library, customizable portfolio website builder. I guess that has a little bit of potential. Portfolios. So let's see. Idea backlog. Portfolios. What can I do for people? Oh. Portfolios are interesting. Freelance project finder. We're coaching people to do freelance. Freelancer coaching. Customizable portfolio, API marketplace. Create a platform where developers can create, share, and monetize APIs. This could be a community-driven marketplace where developers can find APIs for specific tasks or sell their own. how to approach people, who to approach. So for getting views, you need to approach people. They can be just programmers, or they can be programmer influencers. You have subscription-based content access tool. That is very interesting. So, subscription-based content access tool. This is the important part. Like a Discord bot. That already exists, right? I feel like that already exists. A million versions of it exist. Mobile app prototyping tool, SEO optimization tool for developers. We kind of have that already. We can sell the GitHub repo to my SEO tool. Custom analytics dashboard. None of these are problems that people are facing that are like that I can solve for them. Like, they might not be real problems, or they might not be problems that have no answer currently. So let's see. Programmer side hustle. Some funny web dev, TikTok cringe, learn programming side hustle, coding programming side hustle. What do you have on learning program side hustle? Freelance, make scripts, themes, Shopify, course and sell. There's nothing. Experienced devs. Is it possible to find side hustle if I'm a C++ dev? Of course it's possible. What do we have in hot? The simplest of terms, what is a constructor method? These are just questions. How to create a program that doesn't terminate. GitHub, who merges? Are you? Huh. Yeah. Oh. Instagram bot interface API. We might be able to sell that as well, but that, I don't know if we can, like, if it's on Discord, it might be possible. Yeah, that's very interesting, that one. Instagram bot API. Let's see. Linux Android emulator. Or Android emulator. Docker Android. So Docker image built to be used for everything related to any. It can be used. Oh, that'd be very interesting. I'm gonna make this one bold. I believe we can actually make a little bit of money from that. Like, have a Discord bot, you give it username, password, it'll log in to your Instagram and start doing things that you tell it to do. So you give it, you set it up like, tell it to like posts from certain people, go unfollow people, and follow followers of a page, interact with them and stuff like that. That'd be very, very interesting. And we can sell subscriptions to that. That's interesting. Do we have any viewers? Oh, we have one viewer. How's it going? Hello, hello. Yeah, okay. I think that idea is very interesting. But we're supposed to... Okay, I'm just gonna start that. Oh, no, not like that. Start here, yeah. Android and Docker solution with no VNC supported and video recording. See what's going on in Hacker News. GUI turn almost any Python command line program into a full GUI. GUI. UI application. What is this? How? Does it works automatically with like prints and stuff? That's interesting. Very interesting. A matter of millimeters. I don't know how to pronounce that. It has 18k stars. GUI. And how long has it been here? 743 commits. Commits. The first commit. Go older. Can you please go to the last commit ever made? Like the first commit ever made. But this is really old. 2019. 2018. 2017. 2016, and now it pops up on Hacker News after like 2016. That's 4. That's 8 years ago. There were still older commits to comment. A matter of millimeters. The story of Qantas Flight 32. I don't care about a flight. Open source alternative to ChatGPT and Chat PDF like AI tools. Sony debuts. What is that? Debuts? I don't know how to pronounce that either. Dog, I don't know these people. Firefox keeps getting faster. Good. Murder is a pixel art ECS, Entity Computer System Game Engine, in C#. Murder 1.6 pixel art ECS engine. That looks interesting. Huge code base. Murder, sneakers, film, promotional floppy. Oh, it's rest time. Rest time, baby. Text. Rest time. Yeah, take a break. I'll be back in a little bit. Why is it so hard to stream for a long time? Sorry for eating. What's going on GitHub? Bitcoin Core 26. Nothing's going on GitHub. Anyhow, let's get to coding. It's time for coding. It's time to code. It's time to code. Everybody come to coding. Everybody, let me code something. Sorry. Right. What am I doing? Stream widgets. We don't need that. Ooh. Let me see. I have my auto blog. I think I'm gonna copy that into my website. Here I'm gonna just create a new folder, call it auto blog. We're gonna go in there, paste it in there, cd website, open it in here, and then every time I run auto blog, I want to add where's auto blog? app.py. Wait, what was it called again? Google application credentials. Let's see if that exists first. Does not. So, can we just set that to auto log key JSON. Yes. Okay. Maybe we shouldn't keep it there. Maybe we should just keep it in the base of the project. That might be a little bit stupid because I'm keeping that on my. This shouldn't be here. This key.json. It should be somewhere like on my C. Because it's basically money. Yeah. So this should be equal to C key.json. There we go. And then we can get rid of that. Also that env thing. Oh, where's my git? I ignore. Don't. Yeah, the env.local or anything resembling in .env. Okay. Do not download any .env files. Is there a .env file here? Here. Did I have an example? Okay. Sure. Okay. Let's see if it runs. Python autoblog app.py. Does that work? Will that connect and everything? Okay, it works. Here though, you kind of want to do def create post. Create post, and here we get a title and client. This is going to be here, and where do we? Okay, the title array thing starts there. So we just want to just grab all this, bring it up here, paste it here. Yeah. Go to there. 119G. Okay. Where's the messages thing? I have a messages array. There it is. Messages. So 4 title and title array, create post title client messages. Messages. Okay. Just let's save that in the data folder. Something I could ignore. Can I ignore that auto block thing? Maybe that's not a good idea, right? Data blog. Okay, so we want it to be saved on go back a level, data, block, there. Let's not keep that. We're going to just pass it in. It's probably going to append it in because they work with reference. It's an array, right? I'm not sure about it, but I think that's how it works. We don't need Google Cloud Storage anymore. Let's try and see if it works. Creates a new post. It's supposed to create 20 posts on my blog just automatically. We have our titles. The first one is how can semantic HTML improve your site's SEO and accessibility. Whoa, wait. I'm not using the right thing here. Here we're supposed to use title. There we go. Do you have the title array? Are we using the title array anywhere else? Like we're using it here. Title. Okay. Try one more time. Also, Discord server is available. Whoever wants to join, you can. I'm gonna be posting about. I need to give people a reason to join the server, so I'm gonna be posting about my Instagram bot here. You can automatically follow and unfollow people if you can. It's not working currently. It's here. It's in sleep mode at the moment. So it'll be back up on 20:09:01, and it's 7 right now, 7 p.m. It's gonna be back up at 8. You're gonna see it because we're still gonna be streaming it by 8. Oh, what happened? Oh, it's creating the image. Okay, the images are uploading, so everything's fine. What is the name of the post? How can structured data boost your SEO rankings? That is... Sometimes it repeats itself, so I think we need to come up with an array of keywords for a blog, and then give it random combinations of keywords to make posts about. Otherwise, every time you run this, like every 4th time, it's gonna come back to the same kind of posts, the same stuff. It's gonna just repeat itself. Or we can just ask it to create a list of titles first, like 100 titles or 200 titles. Save them to a file. Every time you want to ask it to create new titles, you're going to give it the list of titles and ask it to give new titles so that it won't be repeating itself. So that needs to be fixed later. To do page, and here we have auto block. We want to avoid repeating titles. Read a list of blog titles. Add to messages. Produce titles list before writing the post. Use random keywords. Whoa, what happened here? Oh, no such directory or... Oh, right. I'm not running this from... Ugh, sorry. That's how it should be. Sorry. I'm running one more time. It's not the end of the world. While this is running, let's just open the thing. See if you can figure out those errors that you're encountering. We have a bunch of errors when it comes to router. Does that happen every time we refresh a page? Yes. It's a warning. Who the fuck is using that? Pricing card. Path. Oh, I'm trying to use it. Oh. We don't actually need that. Yeah, fuck that. Stroke width. It's okay. Yeah. This is actual HTML. There we go. Now it's fine, right? Let's run it one more time. Oh, we have another missing required fields for one document. GPT post.mdx is missing the following required fields. Date. Let's get rid of that GPT post thing. Run one more time. How's the thing going? Okay, it's still generating a post. We have another error. Only URLs with the scheme and file data node are supported. But wait, what's going on? This post will guide. Wait. Failed with a YML parser. Monitoring continuously. Something. Hey, did you? This created a post, right? Yeah. Did it? What is the file name though? Low. What is it called? Cap and small cap. Small cap string and replace space with here. It's using O. Wait. Title summary. Okay, for the name of the file, use title. Thank you. What are you talking about? Lower. Woo. Replace. There we go. What's going on here? Oh. See if that works. Let's save it all in this folder named auto so that you can keep track of them. Alright. Let's go, bitch. Let's get back to the error fixing for the website. We're close to the rest time. Error, unsupported ESMURL scheme. Windows. Where is that error occurring? What? What's that from? What does that mean? My problem is because my Node.js version is too low. Upgrade to Node.js 16 solo. I don't get it. What is this? Minimum supported node version is. I don't get it. It's a package version issue. I probably shouldn't be showing you this. But anyways. So, do you have a node requirement anywhere? We don't, right? No, I don't get it. Whatever. This is not. I'm not gonna care about that. Let's see if I actually created something. Blog auto. Nothing yet. Oh. Back on. Okay. I'm gonna just delete all these, even the nested route. It's just blog auto. How are you finding all that? Okay, latest in blog, no posts found. In a little bit, we're gonna have 20 posts generated by AI. Whoa, what happened? Is it because of question mark? Invalid argument. OS error. Yeah. Write Python codes that will replace question mark with nothing, please. Thank you. How can I make it faster though? Should we use GPT-3 for test run? I think that's a good idea, right? That might be stupid. Yeah, whatever. Let's run it again. Let's be patient. Also, no. Wait. Let's not print anything. Unless there's an error. Yep. Image URL. Nope. So, yeah. Don't print that either. Just after the file's done, just do print post created. In here, we're going to do print creating post title and then post created. Maybe here we want to do outline. Print creating message. What is this part doing? Oh, not a message. Create an image. And then print image uploaded. Or not. Wait. Uploading image. Print creating this is here. Creating post, creating content. Print outline created. Creating content. Create an image. After you create an image, you want creating description. After you do that, you want to do uploading image, and then at line. Ooh. Finished job. And then print saving MDX file. Post created. Let's see. That's better printing. Now, creating post. Outline created. Creating content. First, create an image. Creating description. Come on. Uploading image. And then finish job. And then the next part. Create an image for the next part. So it probably has like 5 parts. I'm not sure. Let's see. Oh, I forgot about the timer. I forgot about the rest time, social Saturday. Oh my god. What should we do now? Do you have any chats? No chats. Yeah, let this just do its thing. Oh, OpenAI sent me an email telling me that I'm overspending on my account. It's creating blog posts. If it gives me an error, I'm gonna I'm gonna go fucking crazy. Hey, there we go. So as soon as it writes something, what is the problem with the YAML parser error? Implicit keys need to be on a single line in line 6. Wait, what? What the How did that happen? Wait. Why is there 2 sets of... Oh, because it's using... Oof. It's using the disgusting... This. Wait, does that fix it? What if I don't change that? Yeah, it just works. It just gives you an error and then it works. That's so stupid. You made me stop my fucking thing, my fucking algorithm. You dumb fuck. But yeah, let's take a look at the post first. How can structured data boost your SEO rankings? That's exactly the same as title as we saw earlier. That looks kind of cool. But here, when you're creating content, don't use H1 titles. Only H2 and H3 if needed. Okay. Don't use bang bang bang. Alright, let's run it one more time, see how it works. Oh. Okay. Let's go back to Social Saturday. We're socialists here. By the way, all the pictures are about to look like that. Kind of like the dollar is going to be looking like that in the future. In very close future. Dollar sign. Everything's going to be kind of looking like that. Like vaguely representing what it's supposed to be looking like. So, yeah. Get ready for that. Let's go back to our Social Saturday. I'm not sure what that even means, Social Saturday. for coding, but we need to form something because we're going to be doing this for. This is day 3. We're going to be doing this for 87 more days, or possibly even more than that, because we're not. We might get viewers and might want to keep on going, keep going on, keep on going, keep on streaming. Yeah. Project Empire, Principles, Social Coding Saturday. Engage in pair programming, open source contributions, or collaborative coding with the community. Review people's code. Ooh, I like that. Review people's code. Interesting source codes. Impressive source codes that every developer should see. Standard resume. Apollo 11 code is what? Original Apollo 11 guidance computer, AGC, source code for command module. That is crazy. And lunar module, digitized by folks at Virtual AGC and MIT Museum. This is museum code. Apollo 11. Apollo 11 was the American space flight that first landed humans on the moon. The guidance computer. Apollo guidance computer. That is the computer that guided Apollo to land on the moon. That is so stupid. Like, that landed people on the moon? If real. If real. There it is in Apollo. So, what's Project Gemini? Project Gemini was the second United States human spaceflight program to fly. Conducted after the first Project Mercury. And while the Apollo program was still in development. Oh, so in the last program, people controlled the fucking spaceship with joysticks. It had 16-bit word length with 15 data bits and 1 parity bit. You need a parity bit. The entire Apollo mission relies on 1 parity bit. If you don't know what parity bit is that it basically checks if, due to noise, any bits in those 15 other bits changed. So, if there is, when you have 1 parity bit, that means you just, if the noise, electrical noise changes a bit by accident, in one field of in one word of your data, you have 50% chance of detecting it. That's it. That's 1 parity bit. 50% of chance of detecting a faulty word, which is crazy for an Apollo mission. It's like first of all, it's going to space, so we don't know what type of noise we're dealing with. Second, it's just 1 bit, 50%. Anyways, photograph of the dual NOR gate chip used to build the block. So it's just a NOR computer. Flat pack silicon integrated circuits welded to PCB, and that is the computer. And it has logic modules in there. And the code to it is here. It's interesting. Like that makes it more credible if someone like coded this and you can like read the code, see if it matches physics of how the moon and the gravity works. So much code though. Safe queue for failure location. Okay, this is for handling errors. Block 2 self check. What do we have here? CSM geometry. What is this for? This is a routine. This routine takes the shaft and Trunnion angles as read by the CM optical system and converts them into a unit vector reference to the navigation base coordinate system and coincident with the sextant line of sight. The inputs are 1 sextant shaft, and I don't understand this, but that's crazy. There's like crazy math written in assembly code for something responsible for human lives. Not only human lives, but like the fucking the dignity of a country of US. Responsible for that too. Entry lexicon. Why is it all commented out? Executive. What is this? To enter a job request requiring no VAC area. Ground tracking. Oh. Gimbal lock. Avoidance. Detecting gimbal lock. WCALC. Compute the incremental rotation matrix. What is a gimbal lock? Gimbal lock is a phenomenon that occurs when 2 of the 3 axes of rotation of a 3D object align. Oh. This is crazy code. It's actually weird. What else do you have for me? It's very interesting. Wait a second. We still have time. We're 1 hour and 30 minutes into the stream. Apollo 11 guidance program. Are you kidding me, man? Or are you kidding me? I don't want to upgrade. This is really interesting. World Wide Web demo source code. It's on. Ugh. Learning the code. No, this is not what I want. I want to read that. How can I read that? Medium. Get text free. I'm gonna ask the medium articles a simple method. Really? 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 Okay, that doesn't work. Text only. Hey! Oh my god. Okay, Pole 11, Quake 3 Arena. New compiler. GNU compiler. Chromium. Git K. Yeah, this is not that interesting. Yeah. Let's take a look at this awesome. What is it called? Awesome list about all kinds of whatever platforms, programming languages. Well, let's look at the platforms. Node.js front-end development, Electron, Cordova, JVM, Windows, IPFS, programming languages. You have Rust, Haskell, Scala. What's Scala? I've heard about it. I don't know what that is. Awesome Scala. Sorry. Man. If there's one thing that we don't need more of, is programming languages. We have enough programming languages. Front-end development. Back-end development. Pyramid Python framework. Computer science, university courses, data science, tutorials, machine learning, speech and NLP, cryptography, computer vision, evidence-based research on software systems. That's interesting. What is this? Huh. Software artifact infrastructure repository. C, Java, C, C++, and C# software together with test suits and fault data. What is that? SIR, sir. How old is this? Bash and C from 2006. gzip. Test type TSL seeded. Damn. So if you go on and just read a bunch of these guys, just, I don't know, do one a week or a month. In a year, you'd be a C expert. You'd make 200K plus a year, for sure. Because C is something, it's low level. There's no getting rid of C, and there's no getting rid of C. And so many huge companies need C programmers to code their infrastructure and their low level shit. And there is no good C programmers. Nobody knows how to program in C, let alone being good at it and being like enterprise level at it. Flex, grep, gzip, make are all Unix utilities obtained from the new site. We obtained several sequential previously released versions of each of these programs. Use these subjects as well as space, Simon's space. Consists of 9,500 lines of C code and functions as an interpreter for an array definition language. The program reads a file that contains several ADL statements and checks the contents of the file for adherence to the ADL grammar and to specific consistency rules. Whew. I'm just getting a headache reading about it. This is really interesting. That's like, it gives me ideas too. Kind of makes me want to start coding in C a little bit. Vim. Source code to Vim. Yeah, coding in C is interesting. Because it's just in there. It's dealing with your computer and talking directly to your computer. Oh, it's rest time. Oh, fuck. I forgot again. Forgot to look. Oh, give me a second. Let me take a break. Oh, what happened here? Oh, rate limit. Try again in 10 minutes. How many posts? So I created like 4 posts, and the 5th one, rate limit. Why is it doing that? And all of them, there's like a tab. Oh, that's why. Because I'm using a tab here. it's fixed. So okay. Now we have 5 posts for today. Is it time to shift from manual processes to AI automation and small business accounting? So okay, instead of doing that for each title, let's just do that 3 times. Every time you run it, we just want to do 3 posts. That way we won't encounter a rate limit. And we can just run it multiple times throughout the day. But like, that's okay for now. I'm just gonna take notes. Avoid rate limit. Run for 3 titles. Schedule running. Obviously that's for later. We want to like put that on our server and like run it multiple times a day and automate our blog essentially. Hopefully it's not going to cost me too much. But anyways, let's like, how can local businesses leverage social media algorithms for increased visibility? So online visibility, local business, algorithms, social media, content strategy. If you open that up, we have a nice picture. Kind of looks like the Instagram logo. It says understanding the mechanics behind social media algorithm and H1. Now there's no H1 other than for the title of the section, which is nice. It says identifying key factors for content visibility. There's like structured data, aligning content with platform preference, adapting to algorithmic changes. It's all in understanding the mechanics behind social media algorithms. The main problem that I might have with ChatGPT is that it repeats itself a lot. It's kind of like it's not easy to solve that either, because imagine you read a lot of books and you talk to like millions of people every day and they ask you questions. You can't just remember them and not repeat yourself. There's like millions of people. You can't just remember all your conversations with them. I guess you can. If you're a computer, you can. Just save it. I don't know. Identifying key factors for content visibility. Okay. Now, the second part, it still looks like that's a neat picture. That one and this one. Creating high quality, shareable content that resonates with your audience. Understanding your audience, focusing on value and visual appeal, encouraging shares and engagement, and then beauty. It's a nice picture. Damn. Engage actively with followers to boost social signals. Showcasing your followers' content, creating conversational and interactive posts. Damn, these photos are fire, man. Leveraging hashtags and geotags to increase local discoverability. Beauty. And the last picture kind of looks like something I've seen before. Anyways, analyzing performance data to refine social media strategy. Yeah, that's it. There we go. Let's see. What are the latest techniques for advanced on-page SEO for niche markets? Utilizing schema markups for enhanced SERP visibility. I don't even know what that is, and I created a post about it. Leveraging long tail keywords specific to niche audience. Implementing topic clusters to establish authority in niche markets. This is great. Like, these blog posts are actually really, really good. It's crazy. Yeah, I'm actually interested in this post. That is weird. That's like, no matter even if you know that this was created by a bot, you might still be interested. Like, I created this bot myself, and I'm interested in what it wrote. How can small business implement AI chatbots to streamline customer service? That's kind of like, okay, so like ChatGPT has read lots of different books about different topics, right? And whenever you ask it a question, it'll answer it. But the thing is that the interesting thing about someone who's read a lot of books is not asking them questions. What makes them interesting people is that they'd always be talking about things that they've read on different books. They'd be talking about interesting parts of those books. And imagine you've read all the books in the world. The most interesting thing to do with such a person is not to ask them a question. It'd be to just let them talk about things that they find interesting and just give you their takes on random stuff. So yeah, I think this satisfies that problem with ChatGPT. Just having ChatGPT write a blog about something. Training your AI chatbot with industry-specific data and scripts. That's crazy. Integrating the AI chatbot into your current customer service workflow. We should also add a AI chatbot. Chatbot. Yeah, this is really interesting. If you want to have access to this, to my auto blog, I'll give you access. It's okay. I'll just give it to you. I might drop it in our Discord server. Just ask me in the Discord server. It's called Digital Dreamers Den. I'm actually going to leave a link to it on here, on chat. And maybe pin it even. Where's the cam? There's no cam, man. There's a link to our Discord channel. If you need this auto blog, I can give it to you. So, yeah. And in 10 minutes you'll see my Instagram bot. It's actually 15. In 15 minutes you'll see my Instagram bot running. And that's actually a good idea. We can actually come up with a Discord. Yeah, we should do that. So to do. Instagram bot Discord. That'd be interesting. Okay, so we need to Dockerize Android emulators. Otherwise, it's useless. We can't do that in any other way. Yeah, we did Dockerize Android emulators. Dockerize the bot. Maybe like add it to the same Docker container. Add the bot to the same Docker container as the emulator. Configure through Discord bot payment Stripe. Let's see. Can we use Stripe for that? Stripe Discord bot. Stripe Discord bot. There's something for that. This is Python. Python script. Do we have npm YAML? Of course we do. Discord bot payment is subscription. Subscription. Yeah, that would be great. We can just spawn a Docker container for the emulator, configure it through a Discord bot, and just... The thing is that we need to install Instagram on that. Okay. Install Instagram. We need to log in to Instagram through ADB. That part I need to figure out. Yeah, because I'm using Grammatic, right? Grammatic login. Completely free, open source, human. Can you use it to log into Instagram? That is my question. Login. I don't think you can. This needs to be solved though. How are we gonna log in? We need to solve these, okay? So we need to first have an Android emulator and kind of install Instagram on it. Instagram app on Dockerize emulator. ADB pre-installed. Pre-installed is preferred. I prefer it if it's pre-installed, but ADB log into Instagram through logging in would be very annoying as well. Wait, what does it use? This thing? Grammatic? It uses auto something, auto ATX. What is that? HTTP server runs on Android devices. Open ATX. UI Automator V2. UI Automator. Ooh, there we go. Appium UI Automator 2 driver. The test automation framework for Android devices. Test automation. Test automation. Right. UI Automator 2 driver automates native, hybrid, and mobile web apps. Tested on emulators and real devices. Part of the Appium mobile test automation tool. Driver operates in scope of W3C WebDriver protocol. Several custom extensions to cover operating system specific scenarios. Under the hood, it uses UI Automator. What is that? UI testing framework suitable for cross-app functional UI testing cross-system and installed apps. Oh, it's for Android. So it uses UI Automator. Some commands are proxied directly to Appium ADB and other helpers built on top of Android platform tools. What is this? Appium ADB, a wrapper over Android ADB implemented using ES6 and along with async await. Ooh. Huh. What is Appium? They have extensive tools. Appium, cross-platform automation framework for all kinds of your apps built on top of Appium. That is crazy. Release software to facilitate UI automation of many app platforms using mobile iOS, browser, desktop, TV, and more. If you're new to Appium, it's recommended to start off with the introduction. What is Appium for? Mostly in test automation. In contrast to other types of software testing, UI automation allows testers to write code. Okay, so this is for UI automation. But we're going to use it to run a bot on Instagram. Evil. Nah. If you can sell that bot and just check off items from our wish list, that'd be great. First thing, a webcam. Second thing, green screen. Third, a capture card. Fourth, a microphone arm. Fifth, second monitor. And sixth, a mini fridge full of drinks. Fucking yeah. Oh, fucking yeah. Yeah. Do you think this can make it us $2,000? I believe it can. If executed in a way that makes sense. Okay, overview of Appium. Here's an open source something. Appium's choice of API, Selenium. Okay, so this is for Appium. Drivers. You can also use it through ADB. You can also use it on an iOS emulator, so UI Automator driver capability. General, full reset, no reset, you did. System port. Wait, if we go to Grammatic, just take a look at the code of Grammatic. The code base for Grammatic, but. So this is choose projects. Oh, there is one project, but we can't see it. Grammatic, but you can see the project to do store profile details. For filtering settings, prevent the bot from opening profile multiple times for filtering. Switch to SQLite for session. Oh, limit actions per day. Issues, pull requests, discussion actions. Let's go back to code. 5 branches. Develop Docker. Ooh, there is a Docker for it. There we go. It's 100% in Python, so Grammatic, it's right here. Oh, run.py. What do you do? Grammatic run. Import Grammatic. Grammatic.core. What was it? Core.bot flow. Put logging random. Is logging here? Log. From Grammatic config filter log storage navigation. I'm interested in navigation. There's no navigation here. Plugins? There's nothing. Nav to Blogger. Oh, there it is. Navigation. check if English. It has a device. What is a device? From Colorama. Whatever. Device. Profile view. I'll click on avatar. It has a bunch of custom classes, I'm guessing. Show more. So who is using this? 2 references. Go to that reference. Where is that device coming from? The device. Create device. How do you create device? Go to create device. Device ID, app ID. Return new device facade. Okay, what is a device facade? Class device facade. It's in core. So it has device ID, app ID, device v2, UI automator.connect. Okay, now, okay, it's using device automator here in device facade. It's just defining a facade for the device. A facade is just a, okay, it's a design pattern. So whoever wrote this knows what they're doing. So facade, what facade does is just, how can you, are these AI generated images? Kind of look like it. Anyways, so imagine that you must make your code work with a broad set of objects that belong to a sophisticated library or framework. As a result, the business logic of your classes would become tightly coupled to the implementation details of third-party classes. So to prevent that, you just write a facade for the third-party class. A facade is a class that provides a simple interface to a complex subsystem which contains lots of moving parts. But like, it's one thing to read about it and know about it. It's another huge thing to know where to actually use it. Like, you need to develop a sense for it. You need to have seen it, had seen it in multiple projects, and remember what it's been used for, so that the next time you come across this problem, something clicks on your mind, and you're like, aha, this is where you use a facade. Whatever. Now, if you take a look from UI Automator, where is it being used? We do connect ADB Wi-Fi. Where else is it being used? Find a device. Where else? Screen record. Okay, the bot is running. Look, ready for botting. If you take a look, it'll just do things. It's so magical. Look, it just goes there, refreshes the page, and then just does things. And we can automate that and just make it into a Discord bot that people can subscribe to and use. Yeah. Where else is it being used? So it's there. JSON RPC error. Just checking for errors. Self device that swipe ext. What is the device v2 thing? Who is setting it? AD UI automated connect. What is that? Oh, Android. Okay, Python wrapper. Whew. It's very Chinese. Oh, what? Read the docs. Latest. That's stable. It's from 3 years ago. How about this one? Is it the Chinese one? Of course it is. How can I find something that's not Chinese? Oh god. Launch an app. Install an app. You can install an app with that. Ooh. We only support installing an APK from a URL. It's not that Chinese. You can kind of understand what it's saying. Push and pull files. Basic API usage. Shell commands. Session. Attach the running app. Detaching. Detect app crash. Ooh, click X, Y. Swipe. Drag. Touch and drop. You can have selectors. You can use selectors to find UI. That is crazy. How can we log into Instagram using this? That gives me a headache. Oh, I missed my rest time again. Oh my god. Oh. 2 hours and 17 minutes into the stream. Ugh. I'm already super tired. Yeah. This is interesting. If you want to do anything, we're gonna do it through that. For logging into Instagram. Or maybe come up with another idea that doesn't involve figuring out classes of the Instagram app. The UI. Figuring out how to navigate the UI on an Instagram app. Huh. Wait. How to write UI tests. This might be useful as well. Just take a piss. I guess another thing that actually has monetization potential is our stream widget repository. Because this would be the only stream widget tool that runs on your own computer. You wouldn't need to pay for it, like pay for a subscription. You might need to pay for it. I might make you pay for it once, but then no subscription. It just runs on your computer. We need to come up with a framework that lets you design it, and yeah, that'd be actually would be very interesting. We can come up with ways to let people interact with it through Twitch. Like connected to Twitch chat, and it's running on your computer, connects to Twitch chat and just reads messages, and it like enables it to interact with people through messages. Actually feels very interesting to me. And also, this Instagram bot, the Instagram bot is very easy to sell because it's Instagram bot. a Twitch widget a Twitch widget server that runs on your computer. It's very niche, it's very specific, and a little bit hard to sell. The third thing that we can sell, and we're going to sell, is the auto blog. We can monetize that. That's actually what I'm doing with ByteFi. I'm selling blog automation. 60 blog posts a month, 90 blog posts a month for $300. And the blog posts, the funny thing is that the blog posts are actually fire. They're actually really good. So, yeah, but I don't have any customers. I don't know how to find customers for that. Probably just message people? I don't know. I don't really know. Anyways, we have half an hour till the end of the stream. And this half an hour, let's take another look at this. Not this, at this. Which are interesting things, programming things. Big data, framework for distributed storage and processing of very large data sets. Hadoop. What is it? Hadoop, Apache. I don't know how to pronounce that. Hadoop. The collection of open source software utilities that facilitate using a network of many computers to solve problems involving massive amounts of data and computation. So it's kind of like a framework of combining computer effort. It's from 2006. Bit too old. Streaming. How is that related to big data? Apache Spark Streaming makes it easy to build scalable, fault-tolerant streaming applications. So streaming is known to be part of big data. And it's all Apache. NSQ, real-time distributed messaging platform designed to operate at scale, handling billions of messages per day. What is that? 24K stars. Why would you use this? NSQ is easy to configure and deploy. What does that mean? Why would you use this library? Oh. No. What are some example projects that would benefit from NSQ? Real-time analytics. Oh. Distributed task queues. Tasks need to be distributed amongst multiple workers for parallel processing. Log aggregation, IoT, data handling. Oh. Social media feeds. Those are for like massive online games. E-commerce order processing. Oh, this is big scale shit. There's probably a lot of money in big data. This field. Splunk. Platform for searching, monitoring, analyzing structured and unstructured machine-generated big data in real time. Big data freelance jobs. Data analyst to optimize hedge fund strategy. High-speed big data infrastructure developer and expert. You seek an experienced and highly skilled. What are the jobs for it? Big data jobs. Toronto. Let's see. Mississauga. Health data strategy and policy position. $100K a year. $43 an hour. Full-time data analyst. He's a data analyst though. That's not what I'm looking for. Big data engineer with cloud era. Damn, I've never seen someone on Upwork asking for a bachelor's or master's degree in computer science. That means like it's serious. Freelance jobs online, big data. Consensus algorithm expert with ZK background. Data engineer, Barcelona, SME, technical consultant. Profession of metaverse, data scraping, anomaly detection with k-means. Big data. Data engineering, Apache Spark. Unified engine for large-scale data processing, QLIC. Business intelligence, platform for data visualizing, analytics, and reporting apps. Interesting. Yeah, so there's just a lot of money in big data. But probably no freelance jobs. So you wouldn't hire a freelancer for your big data job. It's very sensitive. Damn. And also, if you have a company and you do big data, you have like a team of big data developers, that is the jackpot. Like if you develop big data solutions. Look how tiny this portion of the project is. Look, this is for computer science, this is for big data. For theory, books edited, there's not that many libraries out there for it. Not that many frameworks either. Anyways, what is this? Theory. Papers we love. Algorithms. AI. Competitive programming. Should we do a little bit of competitive programming? I need to organize this, by the way. Competitive programming? Question mark. Should we do it? Let's see. Recursion schemes, complex systems, scientific field studying systems with multiple interacting parts and emerging properties. That's very interesting. Journals, concepts. This is a big topic when it comes to game design. You want a system that's not chaotic, but when it's a game. You want it not to be chaotic, but be emergent. Or like complex. Not too complex. But you want unexpected behaviors from it from time to time. Like expected unexpectedness. Unexpected behavior that is within boundaries. Interesting. Books, free programming books, Go books, R books, mind expanding books. What is that? Book authoring, Elixir books. What is that? Book authoring. Mind expanding books. Startups and business, philosophy and psychology, autobiographies, science, medicine, politics, economics, gender, sexuality, race, education, fiction, health, design, travel, language, nature, art. Awesome book authoring, a collection of awesome resources for technical book authors. Ooh. This is interesting. Maybe I'll write a book someday. Who knows? I think I will. I will write a book one day. Because I don't want to die not having written a book ever. Anyways, editors, gaming, game dev, game talks. It's a love game engine. Is it love? Love. It's love. It's not love. It's love. Awesome love. What is love? Love 2D. In Lua. Fuck Lua. Development environments. Shell. Dot files. Quick look plugin. GitHub. Git hooks. This part's interesting. Entertainment, podcasts, fantasy, email newsletters, databases, media, learn, interactive tutorials, speaking. What is that? Awesome speaking. What? Learn to program. What's awesome speaking? Collection of awesome resources about public speaking. These are very interesting. I'm gonna create a add folder. Awesome. Alright, yeah. I'm gonna check them out later. Pixel art. Tutorials for pixel art. So I guess you can actually make money organizing things. So what awesome is this awesome thing, person, whatever, repository, is just organized things, organized links. It might be better than Google because Google doesn't have a catalog that it can like go through. So I guess you can make money organizing things. That's something to look at. Make money organizing links, resources. Hackathons. Should we do a hackathon? Are they useless? I don't know. We'll check it out. Security, CTF, Android security, hacking, application security, lockpicking, fuzzing, automated software testing technique that involves feeding pseudo-randomly generated input data, password cracking, content management system, CMS, hardware. What's open companies? An open company is defined for the purpose of this list as for profit organization whose core practices are guided by principles of openness, transparency, and interoperability. Companies. Arduino. Slash. Buffer. Code Combat. Couchbase. GitLab is open. Damn, I didn't know that. How do they make money though? Red Hat. We make services. Python style guide. Huh. This would be interesting to kind of look at later. You have a business. Independent developer businesses. I kind of want to study those two. Clean tech, social enterprise, engineering team management, developer first products, developer first products, billing. Is there anything about IP in here? think that's what's missing, because that's very important. Work, productivity, remote jobs, niche job boards, code review, decentralized systems, health and social science, events, testing, actually feel a little bit dizzy. Awesome indie projects. We still have one weird viewer. The easiest question to ask. Wait, which one is this from? Is this from YouTube or is it from... Oh, it's from Twitch. Jash. I'm so sorry to have seen this very late. 2038. Says, I'd say there are some not mentioned, of course. Like, one was IP. Yeah, I know nothing about IP, and I know it's the most important thing when it comes to starting a software company. I think the easiest question to ask yourself first is, what do you want to do in software? Huh. Yeah. Resources to help independent developers make money. Money. Damn, this is fire. I'm gonna add that to my Discord. To resources. Here. Bing. Indie developers, independent developers, communities, newsletters, podcasts, posts, blogs, case studies. Indie hackers, from capturing a trend to getting acquired in less than 1 year. What is that? Indie hackers. I sold my AI tool for $35,000. Holy shit! This is what I've been looking for. Bookmarks bar. Oh, they have it by Hacker News. Indie hacker. It's very interesting. Damn. Nomad list. Engineering team management. This is interesting. Yeah, I should have done this sooner. I'm just gonna put it here nevertheless. Width 300. Height. Yeah. There we go. We have chats on the screen. Hopefully I won't miss a message again. I should have another screen and just put that on my other screen and look at it all the time. Just, yeah, another screen would be great. But first, we need to make money. So fuck the chat. Awesome productivity. These are for productivity. Books, file management, note management, task management, note management, Notion, task management, file management, habit tracker, task automation, password, knowledge, screen capture. Nah. Job boards, big data, datajobs.com. Demand far exceeds supply for big data. Part-time data operations engineer, hybrid, Boulder, CO, Chicago. $50,000 to $60,000 for a part-time job. Oh man, this is very interesting too. I'm gonna grab that, put that in our Discord channel, Discord server, in freelancing gigs. New post, job board. Supposed to here. Awesome code review. So systematic examination of source code, articles, books. It's about how to review code, right? Yeah, that's not important to me right now. Awesome developer first. Engineering team management. Huh. This is interesting too. But anyways, that's the time for today. I'm very tired. I will be working on lasting longer, that's what she said. But for now, I'm going to do 3 hours a day. Slowly upgrading it to 4. And then slowly upgrading it to 5. And then doing 10 hours a day streams. That's the final goal. 10 hours a day. But the thing is, the most important thing is to see the potential, see the growth in the future, things that don't exist. Just have a vision and keep going. That's what makes me excited. Now that I'm older. Anyways, yeah, thanks for watching. Have a great weekend and have a great night. See you tomorrow.